Hey, this is Rigo. Um, I wanted to show you the new technology lighter fire. So, this is the new technology. This is better than the old fashions because if you use the old fashions, it can burn your finger, but that's your choice to use the old fashions. I'm not using old fashions. I don't want to burn my finger. Look at my finger right there. You see my nail? I almost burned my nail, but my finger I almost burned. So for new option, use the new fashion way lighter. When I turn to negative, this is lower. This is lower, you see? And this is the positive side. So listen. You see? It's easy to use the new fashion technology. It's better than the old fashions. If you want to use the old fashions, that's your choice. I'm not using it. But it's better to use the new fashion lighter to, especially when you go smoke, when you go turn on the oven fire or turn on the candles and turn on a grilled barbecue. That's an option. So thanks for describing YouTube and enjoy it and have a nice day. Thanks. Bye bye.